Hello, thank you for joining us on this task, our website authoring 3. This task we're going to be asked to refer to a previous web page that we designed earlier. We looked at the different styles. We're going to be looking at style sheet. It's a cascading style sheet, which is CSS file. Now, we can adjust the style of paragraphs. We can adjust the styles of heading 1, and we can adjust the styles with color, the size, the font, and we're going to do that using two files, which are Style1 and Style2. Let's have a look at Style1 CSS. Let's just open that and have a look at it. Now this cascading style sheet, CSS, breaks up the different categories. So for a heading 1, in these brackets we've got the color, we've selected the font family, we've selected times serif. Serif have the little edges on them. We've selected font size 36 and text align left. Now our heading 2 is a different color. It's still the same font family, still times serif. We're looking at a 30 point, it's slightly smaller, and it's going to be also aligned on the left. Heading 3, different color again. It's still the same font, it's a smaller font size, and it will be centered. Heading 4, again a different color. It's a different font. This time it's Arial Helvetica, a sans serif font. It'll be size 20 points. That's the smallest we've had so far, and centered on the left. Sorry, aligned on the left. And then heading 5 will be a different color again. Fantasy font family, 16 points, and it'll be aligned on the left. Heading 6 is a cursive font family, really tiny, 12 point, right aligned, and paragraph, its color is black, 00000, and it's going to be aligned on the left. Let's have a look at how we employ this cascading style sheet. We have to refer to this Style1 cascading style sheet. We've got this file in the same folder, so it's present in the same folder. Now, the file we're looking at is WA1, and what we will do in the head of the body, just below title, is we will open a link. Now the link will be, the relationship is equal to, and it's going to be a style sheet. So the computer knows it's a style sheet. Its type is text CSS, and the href, the link which we can go to, will be the file called style1.css. Now we have to close that arrow. Now, whenever they see a P, it will refer to the style sheet in style1.css. Let's save this and let's run this program. So we right-click, open with Internet Explorer. Okay, as you see here, we've got my first website, that's up here. My first website, it's a P. P is simply black. H1, it's got red, it's got a font size. H2, slightly smaller font size, still if we go back to the refer to the Style1, we're dealing with H2 is Times New Roman, serif, 30 points, and it's aligned on the left. H3, this is style H3, is blue, and it is centered. This is style H4. You can see it's on the left again, it's text align left, and it's a 20 point, and it's sans serif Helvetica. H5, 16 points, and it's fantasy font, and it's aligned on the left. And then H6, this is aligned on the right, 12 points cursive. So it's way over there. This is style H6 right over there on the right. Paragraph is back to normal. So that is how we refer to style 1. Now what we will do, there is a second style here, and second style has this background color in the body, and it's adjusted the colors and adjusted, it's got even italic, a font style italic. You can have font style bold. So all the different properties of each H1 through to 6 and P. Well, let's change our original coding so we can go to style 2. Let's save that. Now we will refer to style 2. So we go to the file, we'll right click and open with Microsoft Explorer. And here we've got, again, we've got a center for H3. And notice there's a background color going on here. So different font colors, similar font styles, sizes, but there's a background color, and that was in the style 2, which is found in the body, a property of the body. It's a background color. All right, well, that's looking at style sheet, cascading style sheet, and we will have a look at doing a little bit more with style sheets, and let's see if we can create our own style sheet in the next activity. So until then, stay happy.